Namaste and welcome to this exciting journey into the world of data science. This is the SWAM MOOC course titled Introduction to Data Science. In an age where data-driven decisions across every domain, learning data science is no longer optional, it's essential. I'm Dr. Pooja Bijlani, Associate Professor of Computer Science and Engineering at Rabindranath Tagore University. I'm your course coordinator and instructor for this course with over 18 years of experience in teaching and applying data science in real-world projects. I have had privilege of training thousands of learners. I'm excited to be your instructor on this transformative learning experience. The course Introduction to Data Science is designed as a comprehensive beginners to intermediate program that builds your data science skills from the ground level. We will begin with foundational concepts, then gradually dive into tools and techniques used in real-world data analytics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence applications. Our objective is to equip learners with foundational knowledge of data science concepts and practical hands-on skills using Python, industry standards, libraries, machine learning, and visualization tools. You don't need to be a programming expert to take this course. A basic understanding of computers and logical thinking is enough to get started. This is a 15-week, 4-credit course designed for undergraduate students. The curriculum is structured into 40 comprehensive modules. You will learn through video lectures, self-learning materials, and e-book format, curated reference links for further exploration, quizzes, assignments, and live sessions for real-time guidance, all delivered in English. The course is aligned with the National Credit Framework and mapped to the NCRF Level 5, ensuring academic credibility and nationwide recognition. This course is delivered over 15 weeks, carefully designed to build your skills step by step. The first week will be your foundation, that is the foundation of data science. Second, Python to data science, data acquisition and management. The fourth week, data cleaning, pre-processing we are going to learn. Fifth week will be exploratory data analysis. Sixth week will take you to introduction to statistics, the mathematics involved. Week 7 will be introduction to machine learning, and then week 8 is going to be supervised learning. Gradually unsupervised learning. Week 10, advanced data visualization, and you will also learn in week 11, that is data storytelling. Power BI for beginners in week 12. Week 13 going to be introduction to deep learning. And the most important part, very exciting part of this course, that is generative AI for data science, that is also we are going to cover. Fifth week will be your implementation part, end-to-end project development you are going to learn. At the end of this course, learners will be able to understand and apply the data science life cycle, perform data wrangling, exploration and visualization, build and evaluate machine learning models, create dashboards in Power BI, use generative AI tools to support the analysis, and deploy your own end-to-end data science project. Yes. This course opens doors to career opportunities in fast-growing sectors like IT, finance, healthcare, e-commerce, education, and AI. You will be prepared for high-demand roles such as data scientists, machine learning engineers, AI engineers, data analysts, research associate, and business analytics. The curriculum is carefully aligned with current industry trends, ensuring that learners are job-ready. Assessment for this course follows a structured and transparent grading system. Internal assessment accounts for 30% of your final score based on quizzes and assignments conducted throughout the course. Remaining 70% is going to be based on end-term proctored examination conducted by the National Testing Agency. Data is transforming the world, and this course prepares you to lead that transformation. I invite you to enroll in this course on SWAM and begin with exciting academic journey, becoming a data scientist professional. Let's learn, explore, and innovate together. See you in the course.